welcome back to my channel. A long time I do no video. Right now I'm about to make YouTube great again. So remember, spam up the comment section right now. You have Team Oksana and Team Kitty. So right now, me and Oksana and Kitty are doing a new thing. You see, because we have one sleepover. We have bed pan the ground, bed pan the bed in a bathroom, bed in a kitchen, bed pan the settee, bed every rascal. So if you want to see the house not looking too wonderful, nobody says nothing. Argument don't talk. Alright. So watch our style now. Right now, me challenge Oksana and Kitty to two challenges. The first challenge, them to find anything in the house, anything at all in the house. One, to look fabulous. That is the first challenge. And the second challenge is to look like an official old madman. Alright, so the challenges are about to start. Me see Oksana over there, so get busy. Kitty sit down for her phone and do whatever she. I don't know what she do. Ask Jesus Christ. I don't know what Kitty decide do. But the video is about to get really interesting. Me care about that. Really interesting as because every single body do them own thing. Me I turn on the camera on the other phone to count. I don't know anything go to YouTube there, yeah? So yeah, people, me I show you the backup. One upon me, one upon them. So we start with okay, yes. So the video them start now. Oksana son kin out over there, so you know ramp, you know love bed. You love down there, so you love flat. So go skin out. Go skin out. Yeah, guys. So right now, Oksana, I don't know where Oksana going on. So Oksana get herself fabulous. So guys, as I said, we have two challenges. One where them supposed to look at a nice. The next where they supposed to look like too mad somebody. So right now, them I get into quick jog. I'm gonna turn around the camera so that you guys can see. So this I go pause and then we flip it and turn it back around. Z-Pre. Alright. So stay right there. Don't go nowhere. Remember to like, share, comment. And spam it up. Who win? Oksana or Kitty? Z-Pre? You're staying, brother. You're staying, brother. So guys, sorry about that. A quick job, Oksana. You can't put on clothes so slow and say fast. Guys, remember, competition, you know. We're going to see who is the winner. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Eh? Pretty one first, all my next. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Understand? They have to nobody watch you hear them.
They say don't watch you hear them because the ear them don't flat up. But how do move so slow?
Everybody looks at people can do that.
A man, sir.
That will fit me more. This not going to fit me.
Kakafat. Then if you're a woman, you go tell me say a man segment go fit you. Then when the poor man them fit say a woman segment go fit them. Alright, Oksana, you look like you come out. Me like the dress. Me like the dress. Blinging up. Ear blinging up.
Where comb? Which one?
So make you comb out the ear better. You didn't make it on. You don't bother watch you pull up at the place. A life as you go. One now, Oksana.
Did you come out? Pebbles. Eat me and before you have a walk.
See brush here. They got it, man. Oh my kitty bunny body brother.
Never picking them do it, man. Oksana do you eat, Oksana? Let me eat so. You can be chef.
Public service announcement. Remember, this video is only for fun, not judgment. Argument done. Alright, Oksana, your time. We go so walk out. Walk out. Walk out. Walk out. You understand? You can't find the truth.
You see, Sonia?
But you not hear that, brother.
You have to wait till you start it.
Because so, walk out. Walk out. Walk out.
So,
Walk out. You could walk out, Hata. So this is Oksana 10 minutes. You ready in 10 minutes? 10 minutes. 10 minutes she ready now. You could have better, but you can go on. Sit there 10 minutes.
You just do good for now.
10 minutes.
Should I give a graduation?
Yeah, girl. Yeah, you. Yeah. Hey. Kitty, your turn. Walk out. Kitty, walk out now. Mother time. Kitty, yeah.
Me I got it. Me I look so good now, man.
Yes,
She
yo.
want that graduation. Me I look so good put here, so.
Yeah.
Like you know, you're not hungry.
Not at all.
You got arms.
I don't like that carry
You
on.
don't judge your ear.
Yeah.
You want flat throat.
Yeah, you. Hey. Alright, next wear. Alright, guys, so this is the second round. I look for Kitty.
One glass is serious, yeah, so like me granny. My granny glasses too. Yeah, but I don't know right there. Come there already.
I you know say that you're the actually fit you.
Which way?
That. It
Yeah,
actually
Kitty.
fit, yeah, it actually fit you.
I'm gonna wash them for your man. How you wear a bag?
Me the that girl a fool.
No, they fit me granny wear. Come. Excuse
If
me.
it's your Kitty, that the wig they fit you more that wig they don't look at that take off that. You don't look nothing like no girl in that wig there, brother. Alright, that time you ready for me? Alright, a Kitty time you know.
Ready.
Hold them my pearl. Alright, my pearl. And this is the one, my pearl, one and only Sister Pearly. Sister Pearly, how you doing, sir?
Gloria, me, I'm girl.
Gloria! How you feeling, Gloria? Oh God, Gloria, you're nice.
Beg
Gloria,
you,
I'll put one for you.
Beg you $100.
$100 you want Glory?
Yes.
Alright. That's move your grandmother. Oksana, for your time. That was Gloria. Now we're gonna have Miss Gwen.
Go on, Miss
Gwen.
My God, you have tongue, you know.
Yeah, alright, Miss.
My God, you know how green tea.
Alright, Miss Gwen, come in.
I'm sorry, but I don't feel this one.
Miss Gwen.
Get
Miss Gwen, you know win that one at all.
Not at all, come on, no.
My pearl win better than you know.
Excuse me.
Miss Gwen, you're not no buzz.
No. Come again, Auntie Pearl.
Yeah, my pearl.
Yes.
My pearl.
$100 there.
Miss Sungi, my pearl.
Hurry up them until the episode tobacco.
So my pearl. And I see little dirty crosses shit over Gwen yard over the desk.
Me see little girl and me just want pick pan him, yes, but I don't have it check.
I don't like young girl them nowadays, my pearl.
I beg him $100.
I pay man them a look.
I beg him $100 buy Instagram and the girl no give me one spit pan her.
You pip it pan him.
That me want.
Me say little cranny thing no tap walk and look man, you see my pearl.
So then kind of then young me did bad one time too, you know.
A 3 car me see let him off. 3 car let him off one time. His foot come out of one, his head and his heart come out of the next. And his body come out of the one, my pearl.
Me then bad one time too, you know. Bad. 5 man one time.
I saw with it on my pearl.
Yes, bad like
System
that.
girl they call in a 2020.
I saw the enter. So the enter back in my 18s. Me a bad girl. Me that is bad for me 8 bikini there, you know.
Yeah, my pearl.
$100 no.
Give $100.
Me go on. I said, do you man go up? Yo, can't go.
Give Gwen. Gwen. Give my pearly only. Let me keep one. Give my pearly $100. Let me keep one. Yeah, my pearl.
Why baby them? Why baby?
Why? Me a uno. Me young or me old? Me old. What kind of baby ask me about my pearl?
Now your daughter, man.
Oh, can me say last time me breed and me and you breed, you know.
If you ain't little ring.
Mm-hmm.
She tell me say, That's all right, you carry on.
He tell me, say me fi wash mouth.
And so then ring.
But don't call me no pumpkin, wash mouth.
I did back in my days, you see, girl.
Mm-hmm.
I beat her sick.
Stick to her bottom.
Oh, God. And beat her. You give me a go and put them tired.
Alright, my pearl later. Hold them up, no my pearl. Go that way there so you live. Wrong direction.
Me, I saw me live like if your glasses are hard, you know, I can't find when I hang. Away, I'm going away, I'm going.
Goodbye. Goodbye, my friend. Take care.